How to use Bing AI Chat. Hi guys, you probably heard about the new AI chatbot released by Microsoft. The thing is, you've gone to bing.com, you enter the prompt, how to start using Bing AI chatbot. Nothing appeared, and oh, there's a chat option here. You clicked on it, and there you go. As you can see, it's only available for Microsoft Edge users. What you can do is to click this button down here, and it will direct you to Microsoft Edge, or else it will install Edge for you if you don't have it on your device. As you can see, I can have a conversation with Bing AI chatbot now. What you have to know about Bing AI chatbot is basically it's an assistant that searches the internet for you, so it makes concise answer based on the website that it's gone through. Unlike ChatGPT, because OpenAI's ChatGPT can make creative suggestions and elaborate on every answers that it provides. However, the plus side of Bing is that it always gives the latest info available on the internet and it's free. Unlike with ChatGPT, the latest version is paid and it can only gather information from September 2021 as of now. So that's it for this video. I hope you are able to follow through. And if you enjoyed the video, consider giving the channel a subscription. It's free. And click on the like button. This helps the video reach people in need like you. That's it. Thanks for watching guys. See you on the next video.